Howdy folks, got a quick one for you today. Going to be turning these Beach Babe blanks on a Duraclick EDC pen. Obviously we're going to upgrade the ink refills to Fisher Space Pen. And these are going to be for my daughter's teacher as well as the teacher's mom, who put a lot of their time and energy into getting their kids ready for a musical that my daughters are a part of. So I hope this will make a good gift that they'll enjoy. All right, you know the drill. Here's the blanks and here's the kit. I'm gonna get the kit out, get the brass tube out of the kit. And because I like staying organized as possible, you know how I keep them separated. So we got a 1 and a 2. And then with the blanks, we were also gonna have a 1 and a 2. And we're going to get them from the top here because I think that some of the stuff at the bottom likes to settle. So I'm going to get the blanks for the actual pin itself from the top. So I've got 2. Eyeball it a little bit here, a little bit further down, and then we'll mark it here. Awesome sauce. Now we'll switch and do this. Check it out, mark it down. Good to go. All right, so we got the number, good. Now it is to the bandsaw and get these chopped right quick. And we're back. I got these chopped. I think I chopped them a little longer than I needed to, but you know, better to have a little longer than too short is kind of the rule of thumb here for making pens. And I am going to use my metal lathe here, and I'm going to be using a 8mm drill bit on this. So we're going to face it first, and then we're going to get the drill bit set into the Jacob's chuck and drill all the way through. Alrighty. Since this is a center start drill bit, I don't really need to do a pilot hole because it centers itself. However, if you've watched some of my previous videos, you will all know that I like to stop the lathe before continuing with the drill. That way I don't create a chamfer or a bevel on the inside of the blank. You want to make sure you take your time. So close. Good deal. Nice. Nice. Didn't catch the edge with the drill bit. All right, repeat the process with the other one and go to the next step. So we're gonna get these tubes glued in right quick. Got some medium CA that I like to use. I know a lot of people like to use different things like two-part epoxy or Gorilla Glue or stuff like that, but CA medium is my go-to. So I've already test fit these brass tubes inside, and they fit nicely with some recess in there, and they don't come out the other end. So we're just going to go on the nice flat surface here. All right, because it's not cured, you want to make sure that you have it flat, all right? Or the brass tube is going to go out the other end. You definitely don't want that to happen. Nice amount. Keep it spinning so it doesn't drip all over the place. There we go. Here we go, kind of work it in. And we are. Again, keep it flat so it doesn't slide. All right. Quick little activator. Next step is to use the barrel trimmer. My gloves stuck. I like to use the barrel trimmer with the hand drill, so we're going to go ahead and get this knocked out right quick. And it's only been a few minutes after using the glue. Since I used activator, it shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to be turning both of them at the same time because I have two sets of the bushings for that particular kit. Ripples here, no good. So, the way we're going to fix that is with a file. I'm going to start with coarse because I left myself enough meat there.
And here we are after everything is now sanded, polished, and pressed together. And these are the sleeves that are going to go along with it. A really big thank you to the teachers and the family members that dedicated their time to the children and getting them ready for a musical. I know that my kids certainly had a wonderful time, and I definitely appreciate the time and effort and energy that the teachers put in, and then this is just a small token of appreciation for what it is that they did.